Hi, we are at the end of our very first day at the Cannes Festival. Yesterday I arrived, had a fantastic dinner with the French customers. But today was our full day with sessions, and it's good to be back in Cannes. For me, Cannes is all around celebration creativity, and success, being successful in creative execution. It's all about building great connections, and it's all about getting inspired and finding inspiration and sharing inspiration with others. So this morning we had our business seminar. We hosted 500 customers of ours in a business session. We had a couple of very important guest speakers. This, two senior vice presidents of Microsoft, Brian McAndrews, who heads up the Advertiser and Publisher Solutions Group, former CEO of Quantive. And I had a little talk about the platform, how is the integration going with on the engineering side, on the back office side, on the sales side. And then we also had Yusuf Mehdi, who is a senior vice president and in charge of strategic partnerships. And obviously, we addressed some of the elephants in the room. You know, how are we going to win against Google? What about Yahoo? And where are we? Etc. etc. The rest of the seminar was really all around focusing on the key. What keeps us all awake is how do we build meaningful connections between brands and consumer audiences. And in this world of digital, how do we build meaningful conversations between brands and audiences? So we zoomed in on the audience side, and we had two audiences we wanted to talk about: women with kids and kids. We had a fantastic panel with a couple of youngsters who explained their digital lifestyle and how they communicate and play and are entertained. And we're going to post a little video on that as well. And then we had some great research around women and how they embrace online and online content and online services in their day-to-day life and work. We also shared some great cases. Doritos. We had In the Motherhood with Unilever, and we had also the case with Kellogg's. Some research done by Brand Science in Denmark, where they actually show the impact of spending online dollars into and how that converts into sales in the shop, in the retail. Overall, a pretty interesting day as far as I'm concerned, and I hope our customers and partners went away excited and inspired. Then I had a lunch with the UK customers here in the Martinez plage. Very sunny, very light lunch, and then in the afternoon had a couple of press interviews, and was also happy to meet our Belgian customer delegations. They are here with I think around 15-20 people, media agencies and direct marketeers, customers. It was a good conversation around how we can increase digital spend in Belgium, inventory constraints we are seeing, and also we talked a little bit about the language we use and how can we make it simpler for marketeers to understand what we are doing. Interesting conversations, and we certainly follow up on some of those. What's up for the rest of the evening? I'm having a dinner with the Germans, the German customers. For sure, that's going to be nice. Always interesting discussions with German media agencies. And then in the evening and after that, we have the opening gala party at the Carlton Beach. It's a dirty job, but somebody has to do it. See you tomorrow.